Hi friends, at the end of this video you will learn about proteins. On previous videos you learned about carbohydrates and its importance and the identification test. So today we'll discuss more on proteins. So proteins are essential constituents to all living organisms. The polymerization of amino acids form proteins. Therefore amino acid is the structural unit of a protein. In all living organisms these proteins can be found. So proteins are composed mainly of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. In addition to these four elements, proteins can be present with sulfur as well. For an example, here this shows a curly hair and a straightened hair. The hair is mainly composed of the protein keratin. The presence of sulfur in this protein causes this curliness in the hair. So proteins can be found in these food sources: meat, fish, milk, egg, and other food sources just like dal, moong. These are having a high protein content. So this shows the typical structure of an amino acid molecule. Amino acids consist of four basic groups. First one is the carboxyl group, then the amino group, then hydrogen atom and the R group. R groups are groups containing carbon and hydrogen. Based on this variation, up to date scientists have identified 20 different amino acids. So these different amino acids combined in different ways or sequences to form different proteins. The simplest amino acid is glycine. In glycine molecule, the hydrogen is present as the R group. Out of these 20 different amino acids, we cannot synthesize certain amino acids in our body. Therefore, we need to obtain these amino acids from an outside source. That means we need to consume or eat foods having these amino acids. So these types of amino acids that we need to obtain from an outside source is known as essential amino acids. Actually, these amino acids really important for our body. Sometimes the absence of these amino acids can stop certain biochemical reactions or important biochemical activities in our body. Well, from the next section, we'll discuss more on the significance or the importance of amino acids. Sorry, about proteins. So, proteins can act as an energy source and they can act as enzymes, hormones, antibodies, and to make structural components within body. In addition to these things, the snake venom, it is also a protein, and those most of the pigments are proteins. So, well, from the next part of this video, we'll discuss more about these functions. So, until then, have a nice day, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.